Hello. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to clean the K33A all-in-one fusion splicer utilizing the CK01 cleaning kit from America Ilsintech. First component is the stripper. Making sure that both top and bottom blades are free of any debris. Utilizing your soft bristle brush, just sweep away anything that has built up on the blade. If necessary, use your tweezers to pull out your debris. Next, turn on your machine and then turn on your stripper and close your right stripper door. Once this opens, you want to clean out the channel from any dust or debris that has gotten in there. Next, your cleaver. Your cleaver has 5 points that need to be kept clean at all time. 3 black pads on the door and 2 black pads on the base. These need to be kept free of any material. If you have fiberglass left behind, use your tweezers to remove and place in your trash bin. Open your wind cover. And make sure your V-grooves are clean from any debris. To do that, take your jeweler's loop and look at your V-grooves. Take your stiff bristle brush and go back and forth approximately 10 times. Look to see if your debris is clean, and if not, repeat until your V-grooves have been cleaned. Next, clean your cameras. To do that, take your lint-free fiber grade Q-tips, place some cleaning solution on, and go in and clean your cameras. There are 2 cameras, one below each electrode. Then take your dry end to dry the face. That is the extent of the cleaning of your fusion splicer. This concludes this video. Thank you.